I got another unboxing video for you, and I have got June's edition of Pink Parcel. So this is how it arrived. I also received my Betty box, which is the teen version of Pink Parcel, run by the same company, and that arrived this morning. So I'll be unboxing that and I'll be putting that up tomorrow. But this is the gorgeous design. It has come in a special edition sleeve, which you can see, that's our normal packaging. So there's a bit of information on the back which I'll read. It says, "Deed, not words, celebrating women and advocating movements that have made a difference to gender equality is something we passionately support. It's oh so important to forever campaign and highlight the success and progression of women both from the past and present, which is why we're dedicating this month's box to the centenary of the women's right to vote. Celebrating 100 years of women's suffragette in partnership with Processions." If you'd like to know more information, then I will link it down below, but it's processions.co.uk. So yeah, so take a look in the show more, and that'll bring up description, and everything will be down there, including all the links to what's inside this month's box and refer a friend code and things like that. So just click on the show more and it'll all be in there. So June's box. I had this yesterday, but I was unboxing Look Fantastic yesterday. I'm actually wearing a product from Look Fantastic. Can you see on my eyelids? I'm not sure. I'll come up close and show you. Woo! Can you see the glitter? Oh, I've sort of fanned it out a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's a foil then. It's a foil, liquid foil eyeshadow type thing by Studio 10. I absolutely love it. I had to try it today, so I'm looking a bit more glam than normal. But back to the Pink Parcel. So this is how it arrived. So we've got some leaflets here. Inside you get a box that says "For You," and in here contains 7 items. Now one is always a sweet treat, like a little chocolate bar, and the other is a tea bag, and then you have 5 beauty products. Then we've got 4 nights, then we've got 4 later, and then we've got a pouch which is full of your sanitary protection, which I'll open up and I'll show you in a minute. So we got 30% off Ocado, is that how you pronounce it, and 40% off HelloFresh, so I'll link those down below as well if you're interested in having a look at that. And also we get a leaflet, and in here tells you everything about the beauty products inside the box, tells you a little bit about the box, the theme and everything, and also what I like about it, it tells you the price and whether it's a full size or a sample size, so it takes a lot of the hassle out for me trying to search it online, and so I can write it down in the description for you. So I do like that about Pink Parcel. So I'll refer to this as I go along, as I show you the products, and yeah, so I'll get the information from here. So a little bit of back information about this box and the collaboration. It says here, it's been 100 years since the first female marked that all-important ballot paper, and with the suffragettes at the centre of it all, we're showing our gratitude by using their iconic colours, green, white and violet, throughout June. But it's not just their power palette we're harnessing. This parcel, worth over £40, features products we love from female-founded brands that are here to make you feel empowered too. From self-esteem boosting skincare to look at me lip shades, feel confident to tackle whatever stands in your way, just like our sisters before us. Don't forget to share your thoughts on social media using #PPProcessions. I am slacking, apologise. I should have said before I showed you what's inside the box. Basically, if you didn't already know, Pink Parcel is a period box. It's a box for your periods. It's a monthly subscription box. It costs £12.99 a month, and you are free to cancel any time. So I've been having Pink Parcel now for a year, and I absolutely love it. I love the fact that I get all my sanitary protection delivered monthly, and also the little beauty treats on the side as well. So yeah, I really do like it. So online you get to choose what sanitary protection you want. So you can choose either tampons, pads or a mix. You get to choose your brand, you get to choose the date you'd like them sent out to you, and you can change things around as often as you want. So you're free, as you know, our periods change all the time, don't they? So you are free to do that. So inside the box you get a little pouch like this. Normally it's a black, or we have had pink ones with spots, so this is the very first sort of, I don't know what you would call this, I don't know, like a grey pattern one I've had. So in here, because I've gone for pads, I've got 6 pads and 5 panty liners in here. In my For Later box I have just got more day pads, and there's 10 in here. And this is the For You box that contains all the treats. So I'll open this up and I'll show you what's inside. I don't know what's inside. I love a spoiler. There you go. I hope it's a good one. put it down to the side. If you're new to my channel, I love a good unboxing. I don't like to know what I'm having. Some boxes I do, but generally I don't, and that is the excitement. I love like picking them up and seeing what I've got, and I think my face just gives it away really. So yeah, I can't hide anything from you really. But anyway, so back to this box, and this item in the beauty box is I've had one of these from the Powder Beauty Drawer a couple of months ago. So this is the Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm, soft and smooth, and this is 5 mils. There you go. I haven't actually used this. It's still in one of my drawers. I might put this in a giveaway as it's the second one I've had. So this is not far off a full size. A full size version is 7 mils and it would cost you £13. This is 5 mils, so it's not bad, is it? And it's a sample. So it is pretty much a full-size item. So it says here that it's infused with shea butter, pomegranate, rosehip and vitamin E. This super rich balm works its way deep into your lips to restore and protect. Sweep the nourishing formula under lipstick or embrace your natural lip shade and wear alone. So that's my first item. Second item is Girl Power Liquid Lipstick, Matte Liquid Lipstick, the Beauty Crop. So we've had a few Beauty Crop from Pink Parcel before, but we've never had one of these. I love the packaging, it's super cool. Oh wow, oh I like it, rose gold. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. Ooh, very smart. Let's see the colour. It's quite dark. Oh, like a berry colour. Oh, it is nice. It's gorgeous, quite dark, but a gorgeous, gorgeous berry. Can you see there? Really pretty berry colour. And is it a matte? Yeah, matte liquid lip. So no, really excited to try that. That looks gorgeous. So what's it say? This is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £11. It says this matte formula is long wearing, plus it won't cake or dry out, so you can keep your confidence at maximum all day long. And it's in shade Idaho, if I pronounced that right. So no, really happy with that. Ooh, Mavis Cinnamon Mint. What is this? It's a toothpaste. It's a 10 ml toothpaste. I've never seen this before. There you go. So a little tiny one. Just smells like toothpaste. Just smells like toothpaste. Cinnamon though, I'm not that keen on cinnamon. Don't mind a cinnamon bun now and again, but generally, I'm not that keen, not on the smell. But apparently it might be quite good for your teeth, I'm not sure. So it is a sample. The recommended retail price is £7 for 85 mils. And it says, for fresh breath and whiter teeth, switch your regular toothpaste to this luxury Italian brand. The creamy and refreshing formula works to protect teeth and gums whilst preventing decay. Plus it tastes amazing. I will give it a go. I think it's quite cool to put it in a box like this. Not a beauty box as such, you know, like a glossy box will look fantastic. I'm not that keen when they put toothpastes in there, unless it's something trending and it's supposed to make your teeth, you know, super white, whatever. But I think for a Pink Parcel, because it's mainly a period box, I think for little things like that, I think it's quite cute having that in there. So I'm quite happy to give it a go and see what it's like. These hair bands, bandies. Now we've had a few bandies in the past, and I like these actually. They have got quotes on them. Women bring all voters into the world. Equality time is now. 1819 to 2019. Vote for women. Whee! Hopefully you can see there. You can wear them as bracelets. I don't wear them as bracelets. Maybe my daughter might, but I don't. But they are handy. I like them just to put my hair in. Generally, whenever I get them in boxes, I just hand them down to my daughter. But because if I'm putting my hair up, I prefer to just wear very plain brown or black or blonde, whatever bands, just very minimalist. I don't usually wear bright colours like this, but I think it's a really lovely idea, and yeah, I think give it to my daughter would be fab. So the styles may vary from the images, so we might all get different ones. So the recommended retail price for this, which is full size obviously, which is £6.95, and it says boasting their iconic suffragette shades, green, white and violet, and emblazoned with empowering symbols, these special edition hairbands celebrate the centenary of the women's right to vote. So no, I think that's quite a cool thing to add in the box. So yeah, no, right, so that's the fourth item. Got a tea bag. So this is Tea Pigs. I'm not sure if you've had a tea pigs before. Snooze, sleepy tea. Oh, naturally caffeine free. Oh, it's a fruit and herbal infusion. Oh, lovely. I do love teas. I love herbal teas as well. So that's quite a big bag there. But no, that looks quite cool. I don't think we've had this brand before. Can't remember, we might have done. But no, always happy to try a tea. So for 15 of these bags, it'll cost you £3.99. Re-energise your body and mind with a soothing mix of chamomile, apple and lavender infused in boiling water. Brew for 3 minutes and you have a perfect pre-bed blend. I'll be taking that tonight. Taking it? No, I don't take tea, do I? I'll be drinking it tonight. So next we have a rose gold mask made of real gold and rose extracts. It's moisturised and it's by Vitamasks and it's a sheet mask. Ooh, rose gold. So that looks like there. What's it say? Inspired by Korean innovation, an ultra-thin fibre sheet designed to fit seamlessly on the face and enhance the moisture content within the mask, leading to an increased absorption rate within the skin. Oh, that sounds quite good, doesn't it? But yeah, I've never had a rose gold mask before. So this is a full-size item and it will cost you £5.99. It says, gild yourself with this month's stunning sheet mask infused with real gold dust. You'll receive one of 4 luxurious Korean-inspired cloths that promise subtle, radiant skin in the most opulent formula you've ever seen. It doesn't show you any pictures of any of the others, but I'll be curious to see what other people get as well. So those are the... Oh no, I've got one more item and it's the chocolate or a sweet treat. So this is Montezuma's. We've had Montezuma's before and it's gorgeous chocolate and it's crunchy peppermint. I love peppermint, absolutely adore peppermint chocolate, mint chocolate. Oh, I love it. So it's, yeah, just mint. Milk chocolate, minted, that's what it's called. So there you go. So it's just a little sample and it is a 30-gram bar. I think, saying that, we have had Montezuma's before. I wonder if we've had a chili one in these. I didn't like that. That was, oh, that was hard going. I didn't like that at all. It was really, really hard going. But I'm sure we've had other flavours and I do like it. So for a 100-gram bar, it costs you £2.59. It says, crunchy, minty, super rich and encased in one of the month's hero colours. Why not salute the suffragettes once more with your chocolate choice? So those are all the beauty items. So I'll just gather them all up and I'll come back to you. Some really lovely products there. I can't wait to try the lipstick. I'm going to eat that chocolate right now. And I'm going to have the tea tonight. The mask, I might try the mask tonight as well. So what do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's good value for money? Do you like the products that are inside? Do you receive it? Or do you think that, nah, it's just not worth it? I'd love to hear your comments as always. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've got Betty box coming tomorrow. So, and I've also got a bonus video which I'll do this evening, and it's Debenhams beauty freebie, and it's a MAC primer. I think it's only a teeny tiny one, but still I've never tried a MAC primer, so I'm excited. So I'm going to pop to the shops in a bit now and get that if I can. So look out for that. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.